Hello everyone, welcome to investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 81,119, loss of 1,017 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 24,790, loss of 284 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 55,527, loss of 1,051 points. Market cap was negative. BSE 500 closed at 35,946 with loss of 392 points. Nifty 500 closed at 22,906 with loss of 259 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty IT index which closed at 38,469 with gain of 3.15%. And top loser was Nifty Realty index which closed at 1007 with loss of 3.13%. Now let's look at Nifty chart. Nifty formed a long bearish candle on a weekly chart suggesting profit booking near 25,200 levels. A key area that coincides with the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the previous decline from 26,277 to 21,743. The price action indicates that the index is likely to continue its consolidation within a range 24,400 to 25,200 range. A breakdown below 24,400 could confirm a further weakness, potentially dragging the index lower. On the upside, 25,000 remains as a crucial resistance level. Then 24,500 and 24,400 zone act as a strong support, as it aligns with the 50-day exponential moving average and the lower band of the recent consolidation phase. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 4.95% and price decreased to 1.14%, which suggested short buildup. Nifty 19 June 2025 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 25,000 strike with the open interest of 1,09,765 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 23,500 strike with the open interest of 1,0536 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 25,500 strike with the addition of 52,463 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 23,500 strike with the addition of 35,520 lots. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty formed a long bearish candle on a weekly chart indicating strong selling pressure near the 57,000 levels. The index ended the week in a red in a 4 out of 5 session, reflecting persistent weakness. A close below Friday's low of 55,150 could trigger a further downside, with the potential support emerging in the 54,500 to 54,000 zone could act as strong support. This level aligns with the 50-day exponential moving average and lower boundary of the recent trading range, making them crucial for the near short-term trend. On the upside, 56,000 remain as crucial resistance level. A sustained move above this mark may signal a temporary pause in ongoing decline and could attract short covering or a fresh buying interest. Let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI decreased with 0.51% and price increased to 1.86%, which suggested long unwinding. Bank Nifty 26 June 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 59,000 strike with the open interest of 49,075 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 56,000 strike with the open interest of 59,801 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 59,000 strike with the addition of 20,652 lots. And max open interest change happened on PE side at 54,500 strike with the addition of 6,537 lots.